Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2025 Ram 2500 HD and we've installed a 40-inch curved slim light bar. I want to show you how much light you get with this product. These are the factory low beams. These are the factory high beams. And this is the 40-inch slim light bar. So these are the factory low beams. And notice with the factory low beams, you can barely see the fence ahead of you. With the factory high beams, you get a little bit more light, and with a 40-inch light bar, everything illuminates. Take a look at the trees in front of us. Even with the high beams on, it doesn't light up the trees. But with a flip of a switch, the 40-inch light bar illuminates everything around you. Thank you guys for watching. I know you guys are going to love the product, and please take a look at our step-by-step installation instructions so that way you can get the confidence that you need to install this product.